32 ways to say hello and goodbye, with movies and real-life examples.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Hello. Suitable for any context: formal, informal, professional, casual.
Hello?
Hi. Common in daily conversations with friends, colleagues, and acquaintances.
Hi.
Hey. Best for informal settings. Avoid informal situations.
Hey!
Hi there. Used in casual or semi-formal conversations.
Hi there.
Good morning. Used in formal and professional settings, but also common casually.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. Professional and polite, often used in workplaces.
Good afternoon.
Good evening. Common in customer service, formal events, and polite interactions.
Good evening. Good evening.
Long time no see. Best for catching up with old friends or acquaintances.
Carl. Hey, long time no see.
Nice to see you. Can be formal or informal, used in social or business settings.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
What's up? Used with friends. Avoid in professional settings.
What's up? What's up?
What's going on? Used with friends or casual acquaintances.
What's going on? Oh.
How are you? Suitable for both formal and informal settings.
How are you? Oh.
How are you doing? Common in casual and polite conversations.
How you doing? I mean,
How's everything? Used with friends and casual acquaintances.
So, how's everything?
How's it going? Common among friends and colleagues.
Hey.
how's it going?
What's new? Casual, usually when catching up with someone.
Hey, Jackie, what's new?
If you learn a new way to greet, please leave in the comments. Let's continue with the farewells. Bye. Can be used in any context, formal, informal, with friends, coworkers, strangers, etc.
Bye! Bye!
Bye-bye. Used in casual settings, talking to kids, or when being playful with friends.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
See you later. Used casually with friends, family, or coworkers.
See you later. See you later.
See you soon. Used in both formal and informal situations, depending on the tone.
See you soon, Ray.
Take care. Suitable for any setting, especially when you won't see the person for a while.
Take care.
Take care, ladies.
Have a good one. Used informally, often when leaving a store, workplace, or ending a casual chat.
Have a good one.
Oh,
Have a good day, or have a nice day. Common in stores, workplaces, and polite conversations.
okay, have a good day.
Have a nice day!
Farewell. Used in formal speeches, historical settings, or dramatic goodbyes.
Farewell.
Talk to you later. Common in texts, phone calls, and informal chats.
Talk to you later, pal.
Gotta go. Very informal, used in a hurry, or with close friends.
Go. We gotta go.
See you next time. Used in casual meetups, classes, or recurring events.
See you next time.
Catch you later. Used among friends and in casual conversations.
Catch you later, Stan.
Goodbye. More formal settings, interviews, or when leaving for a long time.
Goodbye.
Good night. Used with family, friends, or strangers at night.
Good night.
Good night.
Take it easy. Casual conversations among friends or coworkers.
Take it easy.
Until next time. Used in formal conversations, business, or travel settings.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. All right, that's it for today. Bye. See you later. Take care. Gotta go. Catch you later. Peace. Talk to you soon.